Hi everyone, welcome back to Recipe Kit channel. There are so many different kinds of sambal and usually chilies are involved when it's come to sambal. Samba Matah or Balinese Raw Sambal is made with all raw ingredients and originated in Bali, Indonesia. And today I'm going to share the easy way on how to make Sambal Matah. And the ingredients that need to be prepared are red chili padi, shallot, garlic, lemongrass. Peel off the outer layer of lemongrass and use only the tender white part of the lemongrass. Fresh kaffir lime leaf, half teaspoon roasted belacan or shrimp paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons lime juice and 4 tablespoons cooking oil. I'm going to start by chop the garlic, shallot, red chili, lemongrass and kaffir leaf. And now mix all together with the seasoning. Sugar, salt, and the belacan. And also the lime juice. And set aside. And now I'm going to heat up the cooking oil until it's hot. And now I will pour this over to the Sambal Matah and stir. And now the Sambal Matah is ready to serve. Make this delicious and famous Sambal Matah from the island of Bali, Indonesia that goes perfectly with your meat or seafood dish. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at Recipe Kit channel. Bye bye.